Studio Display runs full version of iOS 15.4. The display.
The display.
In system information under graphics display, the Studio Display software can be seen, showing that it runs version 15.4. The exact same build number as iOS 15.4 and iPad OS 15.4, indicating that the Studio Display runs the full version of iOS. It contains an A13 Bionic Chip, the same chip from the iPhone 11 lineup, and then that supports and powers the 12 megapixel front-facing camera, 6-speaker sound system, and spatial. It seems like overkill for that.
Yeah.
But who knows? Maybe it's part of a long-term plan. Well, maybe it's part of a plan to have a large format, I don't know, like a kitchen display in which it operates like an iPad and you're touching and tapping and it has great speakers on it. And I'm not saying that's going to happen, but once you have an A13 Bionic Chip, you can do whatever you want in there.
Yeah.
On iOS.
I guess you add some RAM, some hard drive, and then I want to see some hacks for this. Run iOS on
you want somebody to make a large iPad.
Studio Display, yeah.
Yeah, 27-inch iPad.
Yeah.
Is what you're looking for. Maybe they can figure out pen input at some point, and now you have something like what Microsoft makes, which is what do they call theirs? Why can't
Surface?
Surface Studio?
Display?
No, it's a different name. I'm talking about the one that has the really cool hinge that folds down. No, not Studio.
It's like a workstation.
Oh, it is. Wait, scroll down. Yeah, Surface Studio. What am I talking about? Yeah. So you could imagine I said it, man. I said it. So you can imagine an Apple version of that running iOS if you want to imagine such things. The current stand is not ideal for it right now for the Studio Display, but they could engineer something that would be suitable. Or you could VESA mount it, although I know Apple lets you do that, but they also love manufacturing ultra expensive display stands.
Right.
I'm sure they could figure it out if that's something that anybody wants. For illustration, it could be cool, Will. For illustration, I mean, those illustration apps on iPad are out of control these days.
Yes, very good.
Remind me, what's like a prevalent one?
Procreate?
Yeah, Procreate.
That's a good one.
Man, you did really bring it today. I want to know what you did this morning. I want to know how it is that you've pivoted, how it is that you've stayed on top, stayed sharp. Like what does the routine look like?
I don't know. Nothing really.
You were going to say something there. Don't you dare bail out on me. Don't you dare.
I was thinking about jogging today. Yeah, but I didn't do it.
Even just thinking about.
It's good.
It's
nice.
The placebo effect of imagining jogging.
I feel so refreshed.
He's going to put the VR headset and it's just someone else jogging. Yeah.
I'm like, feels so good.
And then he goes about his day like as if he did jog.
If he's,
but he didn't.
But like the summer's coming, or spring, I guess. I want to run more. So that's pretty much it. That's kind of like
the weather's been nice.
I really like this idea that even for him, even imagining these optimistic goals has already gotten you in a good mood.
Mm-hmm.
Which
physical activity.
Which I don't mind that.